Well, there you go. 7 hours of plowing, and well, I'm almost to the old commuter Sonata. Let's see my Sportage. We can see a little bit right here, huh? So the Sportage is still buried. And I probably made a mistake. I put the Tesla over at the beach, and the plows are going to probably see what the hell is this Tesla doing here at the beach, and bury my snow white Tesla in the snow white. So, and then when I get my Tesla back, it'll be dead anyway. Battery will be dead. Be like, well, anyway, so what you get for moving to the beach in New England.